Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel AK Cooks. Hope everybody well. I'm fine. Today I'm just actually making for something for my children, and I thought I'll share with you and just video, and so everybody could have a look at it. And it's one of the dish. It's just on my imagination, so I didn't put the name yet, but I will put, when the video is up, I will put think something, and I will put a nice name for that. So here's the ingredient what I'm going to use, but it's a very tasty dish. When you see, you'll see what I mean. I got half a kg of minced mint in there. I washed it properly and I dried it, and then it's like, it's a lot of blood, so I don't want to like it, so I just washed it, and it's very nice and clean now. And I got all the spices. I will let you know, it's my spice box, so I'll let you know what I'm gonna use later on. And I got 3 green chili, I chopped it finely, and I got 2 small size onion fine chopped, and 1.5 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste. It's on my I made it, like I did share with you my video, so if you want to have a look at it, if you don't know what's that one, so have a look at it. So I'm just gonna start cooking. So here I just got like this size mug, and I just put 2 mug of just normal flour in there, and a pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon of butter in there. And I'm just gonna mix the dough now. So I have to make the dough first, so it could rest. So just add the water as it needed. You don't add all the water, so just make sure you make it nice dough. So it's just a normal room temperature water. Just add it as it needed. So I will just keep adding water just needed, and my dough just came like this. Look at how soft and nice. So I'm just gonna leave it rested while I do the mixture. So just gonna leave it rested for a. So I just add 2 tablespoons of oil, vegetable oil, and my pan is hot now. So I'm just gonna add pinch of dry methi, and pinch of 5 spice in there. So it's gonna start popping out in a couple of seconds. So I'm just gonna add, starting popping out. So I'm just gonna add the garlic and ginger paste now, and try to mix it. Just gonna give it a couple of seconds. So my heat is high at the moment. Sorry, it just went off. So it's high heat now, and I'm gonna add the onions now. And mix it everything together. Just gonna add the salt, and I'm adding 1 teaspoon, but to your taste. So I'm just gonna leave it in the medium to high heat for about 4 to 5 minutes, and put the lid on. So that's after over 4 minutes. As you can see, the onions getting soft, and so I could add the rest of the spices. I'm just gonna add the green chili, and gonna mix it Give it a good mix. Still it's popping out, very hot. So my gas is in the medium heat at the moment. So I'm just gonna add the spices now. So I'm just adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of coriander powder and half a teaspoon of red chili powder, because I put already chili powder, so I'm not going to use too much. And I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of curry powder and half a teaspoon of zira powder. That should be fine. I'm not using anything else. So I'm just going to give it a good proper mix. And so I'm just going to leave it like this for another, and I'm going to try to mix it and try to check again, but I'm going to leave it like this for another 2 minutes so the spice and everything gets cooked. Then I'm going to add my other ingredient later. Yeah. So this is after 2 minutes. Oh, the smell is so lovely. So I'm just going to mix before I add the minced meat. By the way, this minced meat is lamb. Sorry, I forgot to tell you. So just try to break it and try to mix with all the spice and the onions. And starting changing the color already. But my gas still is a medium to low. So I'm just gonna leave it for another about 4 to 5 minutes, but between that I'm gonna check and turn again and make sure you check it doesn't get burnt. So this is after 6 minutes and it's done. This part of it is done. So I'm gonna go to next step now. I'm gonna finish off with some coriander. So that's all done now. I did stir between there and try to break all the lumps and humps and whatever it was there, and it's now all it's very nice now. So I'm just gonna let it cool down. So my dough is all rested while I was doing the mix. As you can see, oh, it's lovely now, and it's, so I'm just gonna roll it now. Just try to roll like this. So basically I'm just gonna do just size like this. If you got more guests, you could make put like 1 kilo, and same way what I did. If you got less people, you could do less, but it's very tasty once it's done. So that should be fine. So I got quite a few. It's enough for us. So I'm just gonna do, you could do like this. Just try to do like this and make it round. So I'm just gonna leave it. Just gonna add a little bit flour in there so it doesn't stuck to my board. Just try to do like this. as you can see, this thickness, can you see, this is the thickness I need, so that's big enough, so I don't need any more big. So I'm just gonna keep repeating myself all of them, and then I'll do the next step. So I'm going to show you again another one. If it's stuck anywhere, just put a little bit flour, then again you roll it by itself. Don't worry if it's not properly round, because I will make it nicely when I'm done. So I'll do all of them. So I just all done now. As you can see, I done it all of them. And now I took out one, and the mixture I just put in the tissue. If there's any excess oil, you'll drain out. So there's no oil in there. So just try to do, and it's cold now, so you don't feel with the hot. You need to cool it down. Just try to do like this, and just cover both sides. It's like a parcel, so as I said, I didn't know any name yet, so it's just my own, and it's very delicious because I'm gonna fry this. You don't need to, just push it. You don't need any butter or seal. It will seal itself. It's not gonna come out. So just try to do like this. So basically I just done it, and I'm just gonna show you what I'm gonna fry now, all of them. As you can see, it's looking nice now. So I'm just gonna start frying now. So here I go, it's like a chapati pan, and so I'm just gonna add some butter in there, or you could add margarine, it doesn't matter. And it's hot now, so I'm just gonna add this slowly. Just gonna add 2 now. So I could add another one. I got space. That should be fine. So just need a couple of minutes. About 3 minutes each side. So I'm just going to leave it, and it's a low to medium heat, as you can see. So it's not that high heat, so you need to cook slowly. So I'm just going to leave it for 3 minutes, and I'm going to check anyway. So I'm just going to turn over now. See, oh look at that, it's such a lovely color. That's the color I need. So I'm going to leave another 2 minutes this side. So I checked it, and look, it's done. So I'm just going to take it out now. Everyone is done now. So I'm just going to take it. I should get a big spoon. So I'm just going to rest it for a few minutes. So here's, guys, it's done now. As you could do, I think so you could see now. Can you see? Yeah. It's just look amazing, and it will taste good, because we do make this, and it tastes really nice. And you could dip with the sauce, any kind of sauce, and just like a snack or lunch. You could eat anyway, and you could make it and leave it as well. So it's helpful as well. So I hope you enjoyed it, watching it, and I did enjoy making. And hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Take care, and if you do like my video, please comment, like, and subscribe my channel. And inshallah I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.